They are built to last.
Oh yeah, Vicky, this is a typical design from Norway, which they've been putting up in Europe, and this is the same material. Oh, minus 20 degrees.
English, so that this conversation is being recorded.
Uh, the steel plate that we use here is normalized at minus 20 degrees centigrade, because this is Nordic design, European design. We told them we are plus 50 degrees here, but they still went for this.
Have a quality control over this.
Oh yes,
Oh, yeah,
we have internal quality control, that is Descon. Then we have the Descon site work. They have their quality control check here. Then we have the client quality control here, and then I have a third party, which is in this case Tubnord. It's a German third party specialist
Only for quality control.
for quality. So I've got 4 quality control
And they
people
all
working.
certified before they.
Oh, they have to complete the checklist, sign each paper. Each one of these towers will have a dossier this thick for each section. It will be for painting, for welding, for duty testing, for everything. For everything is tested. Everything is tested.
That's absolutely nice.
Yeah.
Can you describe the inside of this tower, please, Javed sir?
As you can see, this is the very bottom section. There is a ladder here coming up, and this ladder goes right to the top of the tower. But this is a very special ladder, aluminium ladder, and it will have, when we go to site, a small lift put on the back side. So a person can climb up also, and there's also space over here for that lift to operate also. So if you can't use the ladder, you can always use the lift to go up to the top.
Okay.
These are called maintenance platforms.
Okay.
And you can see all the cables coming up. These cables will have connectors here. The section on top of it will also have connectors. They are plugged in so that the power which is generated by the turbine at the top will come down, go to a central grid through the control room, and then go to the national grid. The power generated here on this turbine is, I think, 11,000 volts, 11 kV, and when it will go through the step-up transformer, it will get converted into 132 kV and go into the national grid.
What is the weight of each section?
It depends. This bottom section is weighing about 27 tons,
Okay.
because this is of only 4 shells.
Okay.
The next one has 6 shells, then the one after that has 7, and the last one on top has 9 shells.
Okay.
So this makes the total height of 8
How
meters.
do you transport this?
There are special trailers for the longer sections which come in. We call them multi-axles. They are
Okay.
very long trailers with very low bed, and these are, you can see the cranes that we have got here, and over there also a crane. So these cranes are used for lifting. No, 2 cranes are used for lifting in sections. 2 cranes.
Wonderful. This is so heartwarming. It is, and अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आपका क्या नाम है सर?
Muhammad Yaqub.
आप, what do you do here?
I'm a mechanic here.
You are a mechanic here?
Yes.
Okay, and you are working on these towers?
Yeah.
He is basically also looking after the cranes, maintenance, and etc. He is of this maintenance group,
Okay.
and it is his job to make sure that the cranes are working when we need them.
You are doing a great job.
Yeah.
Wonderful job.
Yeah.
आप मतलब ये अभी मैं ये जो आपकी अभी ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ,
जी.
मैं इसको YouTube पे डालूँगा और ये पूरी दुनिया में ये बताएंगे कि पाकिस्तान की इंजीनियरिंग क्या है. तो आप क्या कब से लगे हुए हैं इस काम में?
मैं डिप्लोमा होल्डर हूँ.
जोर से बोलो.
मैं डिप्लोमा होल्डर हूँ ऑटो मैकेनिक में. बेसिकली मैं हाइड्रोलिक मैकेनिक हूँ.
You are a hydraulic mechanic
Yes.
and a diploma holder in
ऑटो मैकेनिक.
auto mechanic. Okay.
और मेरा ये 8वां प्रोजेक्ट है.
8th project.
जी. मिरानी डैम पे था मैं.
Okay.
वहाँ भी काम
You
किया.
worked on a dam,
मिरानी डैम पे.
Marani Dam. Okay.
हाइड्रोलिक मैकेनिक ऐसे.
Okay.
और उसके बाद एक्स नेवल पर्सन भी हूँ.
Okay. You were in the Navy.
यस.
Okay.
और
You look young. How old are you?
50 years.
Oh, don't tell me you're 50. You
Yes.
look like you are 28.
Really, I am 50 years.
You are?
Yes.
It's a pleasure. Keep the good work
I
up.
am from Commando.
Oh, you were in the SSB, the Navy SEAL.
Yes.
And you are operating the crane and you're doing all of this work.
All equipments, generators, air compressor, cranes, and generator, and transport vehicles.
So you are working under Mr. Javed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good, nice man.
Good man. I like him too. Very, very
I
good.
like too.
Mumtaz Saab, how are you?
Mumtaz Saab is the production engineer here
Okay.
at Descon Karachi Works,
Okay.
and he is in charge of all this production that you see here. This is Mr. Mumtaz.
Mr. Mumtaz, we are going to put this video on YouTube and we are going to show to the world that what Pakistani engineering is and what Pakistani people are. How long have you been working? How many years?
I have worked there, I have worked there 5 years.
Okay.
Then this workshop is
And how many years total have you worked?
approximately 7 years experience.
You have 7 years experience. Okay, good. And you are happy to make these wind turbines, these monopoles? You are. There is pride of yours in this equipment. Thank you. Well done. It is really nice. The way, the finish, the engineering, the way you guys have done it is as good as any in the world. I have been to many, many places, to many companies, many countries, and I am so happy to be here to see you people work. And truly, these towers are engineered. It is pure engineering. There is no anything less because this, the cranes, the cranes, the welding, and the tolerances and everything, they are so good, they are so precise that it makes me feel happy just to be standing here with you gentlemen in Karachi at this time, and I wish you, your family, this country, and all that you people are doing, all the best of luck, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you health, give you happiness, because you people are doing very great work. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Thank you, Mumtaz, appreciate it.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. It is a pleasure to give this side of Pakistan to the people at large.
Thank you so much. God bless.
खुद नहीं देखा